Any land in the Overland. What land will you pick? Go to the unimaginable with this 2027 Ember Overland 221MSL. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Tons of features, lots of quality. Let's get into it. Before we get into some of the key exterior features on this 221MSL, make sure you take a watch of the high quality. It starts on the outside, 6-sided aluminum frame, all with Asdel composite. Anyway, up front, we're gonna lead off with a metal exterior storage area for your propane and any of your dirty gear. Hooking and unhooking is gonna be made real easy with a Lippert gatekeeper power jack. Once you got at your campsite, stabilizing is even easier, again with Lippert. With this quick drop stabilizer, give it a couple turns, quick pull, and you can drop the jack down to the ground super fast. If that land that you're going to is off-grid, this thing's got you covered. All powered by Battleborn with the Max Solar package, you're gonna have 1,200 watts of solar panels up on the roof that's powered by 330 amp solar controllers, as well as a 3,000 watt inverter to turn some of that 12 volt into 110. And your battery, 270 amp hour lithium battery with an optional second battery if you choose. Overland, absolutely. This thing's gonna have you covered with the suspension, the tires, and everything. Starting with the suspension, we have CURT suspension on all 4 corners. What's that mean? Independent, 2 shocks, as well as a coil spring. And it's all matched up with the nice black rims, big beefy tires that are rated for a lot of weight. And when you get to your campsite, there's a really cool Lippert tread lock. It's almost like a parking brake to keep that trailer from rocking. And when we're back here, when you all set up, Ember's unique E-Track system. All these bunk beds, you can really position wherever you want, take them out, and a nice day like today, close her down with the screen, have a great view. Jumping inside this 221MSL, love the feel of this. Got a lot of lighting, a little bit on the floor plan. We're gonna have a Murphy bed up front here that you guys will see, as well as a sofa. Speaking of sofa, a slide out also has a second sofa with lots of storage. And of course behind me, those bunk beds that you guys can change positions however you choose. Let's go ahead and get started in the kitchen area. Leading off with right to my right is our 10.6 cubic 12 volt refrigerator to store all those cold items. Cooking can be done with a breeze with your microwave, air fryer, or convection oven. Some storage as well on either side of that microwave. Cooking can be additionally done with your 2-burner propane stovetop, nice solid surface countertops, high-rise kitchen faucet with a stainless steel sink below it. And below the 2-burner stoves, you guys can see, easily organize your utensils with the 3 drawers and tons of cabinet space on either side. Opposite of the kitchen is our slide out. We got the sofa, lots of storage. I love this area because there's a lot of versatility, but before I get into that, I do want to point out to my right, this nice entertainment section here with a 12 volt TV, tons of storage overhead and below to store all those wonderful goodies. But as I was mentioned, this slide out gives us a lot of floor space. We have a sofa here, we could turn into a bed. As you guys can see, we have TV trays, we have a table that we're gonna show you that we could put in here, and a lot of deep storage behind me with a 12 volt USB charger and tons of overhead storage. But anyway, let's rip into all these different ways you can set this sofa up into. So on the back side of this floor plan, you're gonna see your bunk beds and your bathroom. Starting out with the bunk beds, as we mentioned on the outside, they have a really unique E-track system that makes this whole area very versatile. Go online, you have to check out some of the really cool, crazy ideas that people have come up with. Even maybe perhaps a work from home desk station that you could have. Each bunk bed does come with a light as well as a USB charge port, so those kiddos can make sure those mobile devices are fully charged. Getting into the bathroom area, very super awesome bathroom. I just can't speak highly enough about this bathroom. Starts with really vibrant lighting, backlit vanity mirror, nice counter space there for everybody to spread out their toiletries. Some storage not only below the sink, but a really nice, 3-shelf setup off to the side of it. As I mentioned, we do have lighting with via a big window here that we have in the bathroom. A couple little hanging areas for your towels and whatnot. And wrapping up the bathroom with the shower, it's one of the biggest showers in this 25-foot travel trailer segment. Definitely gives 2 thumbs up by Mikey B. Plenty of elbow room. Wrapping up this floor plan on the front side, another nice little area that's versatile. As you guys can see me, big wall board, that turns into your Murphy bed. But of course here we have it set up as a futon style with a really nice versatile table here for multi-position. You guys can rotate however you choose. Tons of storage everywhere. And I really got to give a shout out to Ember. I love, love, love the skylight that they've done above this. But anyway, let's get into the different positions of this front wall Murphy bed. So this camper sitting here the way we have it with some options, sitting about mid-80s as far as an MSRP. Make sure you check out our website for our seasonal discounted sale pricing. Total length, in case you're fitting it in a driveway, 26 foot 1 inch. Now with high quality comes also with a little bit of weight. So make sure you have the right truck to pull this travel trailer wherever you're going. Sitting the way we're sitting today, 5,850 pounds dry. Total gross weight, 7,550. Giving you 1,700 pounds of carrying capacity. Hitch weight up front, 715 pounds. Now, Overland, this definitely screams Overland with the tank capacities. We have 55 gallons of fresh water. Black and gray are both sitting at 35 gallons each. So you imagine all those places that you could go with this? Beach, mountains, maybe somewhere off-grid in between. Hope you really enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. Comment below because I'm sure there's some technical questions. I'd love to get some answers out to you guys. And everybody, show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you out at the campsites.